Trenching means dealing with plywood that cracks and falls apart or heavy and slippery steel plates that slow down projects and add extra work. But there's a better way. SONCO's trench covers are tough, lightweight, and built for safety, with 3 options that handles pedestrian paths and vehicles of different sizes. The LowPro 1111 is designed for pedestrian paths and light vehicles up to 3,500 pounds. It's lightweight and easy to install by one person. No need to use cold patch or any other product to stabilize the terrain. Just align your LowPro and you're all set. And it's easy to transport and storage. You don't need a big truck to carry them around. It features rubber edges that grip the asphalt, eliminating the need for bolts in most applications, but it can be bolted down for extra safety. The LowPro 1510 covers medium trenches and supports vehicles up to 7,700 pounds. Its modular system connects covers, infill strips, and ramps to fit any trench length. For heavy-duty work, the LowPro 2305 handles vehicles up to 97,000 pounds over a 4 feet wide trench. Use it alone or as part of a modular system for greater efficiency. It includes an end piece that acts as a ramp easel, lift handles for easier installation, and a custom stillage that holds 12 plates and 2 end pieces. Their anti-slip surfaces and easy grip edges keep vehicles and workers moving safely, preventing accidents and keeping your projects on track. Ready to upgrade your trenching solutions? Contact SONCO today.